welcome back to my channel. I have some really good finds that I wanted to show you guys. I feel like I haven't done an Amazon fashion haul in a while. Yeah, it's been a minute, but I'm really excited to show you guys all the pieces that I picked up. I'm excited to start this video with this right here. So this is actually a set, and when it comes to being like that fall it girl, you know, like if you want to look like a Pinterest girl for the fall time, this is it. All I need is a mug. And I think this is gorgeous. I really love it. It's really nice. It's like lightweight, but at the same time it will keep you nice and cozy. It won't overheat you. It is a long sleeve and it's such a gorgeous, more of an oversized sweater. I think this is perfect to lounge around the house, or if you want to run some errands and you honestly just don't want to change your clothes. Sometimes I'm like that. I'm like, I don't want to change my clothes. I just want to go pick up something quick, you know? I think this is one of those pieces that you will look very put together and it doesn't look like you're wearing PJs. So I love this because you could definitely just put on some sneakers and run out the door and you're good to go. Very comfortable, really beautiful. I love this gorgeous like cream color. Of course it comes in multiple colors. I got it in my medium and I like that loose, relaxed fit. Really love the shorts. I think they're beautiful. And look how it looks. It's so pretty. Very nice and soft, very stretchy, has a lot of give, and it's just overall really great quality. So I think this is perfect if you want a really nice piece that you can lounge around, run some errands. I think this is perfect. Moving on to a sweater that I think is beautiful and perfect for the fall time. I think this one is really pretty. When I saw the model style it, I just thought it was so pretty. Like it's nothing special she was wearing with jeans, but something about it just looks so pretty and put together. And it is this one right here. It has like little cutouts throughout the whole sweater, and it's more of a kind of like the sleeves are more loose fit, but at the end it's more cinched in, and I feel like it just looks very chic and sophisticated. I did get this one in a size medium. It is absolutely beautiful. It's more of a lightweight sweater, but not too lightweight. It definitely will keep you warm, and I really love it. I just think it's so pretty, and it is like a white color. It's more lighter than this. I have them in multiple colors, as Amazon always does, but this is such a beautiful piece. I cannot wait to style this. I think this is also really beautiful to wear with like a skirt, like a satin skirt, or just some jeans, whatever. Dress it up, dress it down. I think this is such a beautiful staple piece for the fall time. Moving on to some PJs. First one is this right here, and this is the second time I got this because I love it that much. It is this PJ right here. It comes as a set, so it's this top right here with the capri style pants. I love this, guys. I highly recommend this because it is one of the most buttery soft PJs you will ever feel. It's funny, when it came in the mail, I showed my daughter and I was like, look, feel this. You're going to want it. And I kind of knew she was going to want it. So my daughter's going to take it from me. At first when she was looking at it, she was like, whatever. But when she felt it, she's like, oh yeah, I want it. And it's because it's that soft. It is literally like butter, honestly. It's one of those pieces that, you know, you are like, blown away. You touch it, you're like, yep, you're gonna be my favorite. It is so nice. Has like a nice stretch. Look at that. But it's so comfortable, so breathable, but at the same time it's perfect for the fall time. Throw like a cardigan over to get a little bit more cozier for the fall time. I love the little trim around, and then it also has around the sleeves. It is short sleeve. It has a v-neck, and I got it in my size medium, and like I said, it also comes with these capri style pants. I like the fact that these are very like, more like a wide leg. You see that? It's very comfortable. Also comes with pockets, which you guys, I know you guys love, just like me. I love this. One of my favorites. I would definitely purchase more. Moving on to a really fun PJs that, okay, I know this is not for the fall time, but I don't care. I don't wear long PJs, long pants in the summertime when it comes to PJs at all, because I get hot really fast. So I know this I'm definitely gonna wear in the fall time. I know it's not fallish, it does look summery, but who cares? Now if you're one of those girls that do wear long pants in the summertime and you have your AC on blast, then that's fine. For me, honestly, I'm gonna wear this in the fall time. What I'm showing you is because you don't have to get this print. You can obviously get another print. They have a lot of fall prints, solid prints. you know, that you could wear for the fall time. But I wanted to get this. I know it's kind of like, what? It's not fall time, but you guys understand me. So it is this right here. I got this in the size medium, and I could not pass this up. When I seen it, I was like, I have to pick it up, guys. It is so pretty. You have to go like on a tropical vacation. It is very nice and lightweight, but definitely perfect for the fall time. It is a button up. It does have a collar, and I like the fact that at the collar, it does have this little white trim right here. It is so nicely done. I think the print on it is like so perfect. And then it comes with these pants. They are long pants, but they're so pretty, guys. I cannot wait until the weather cools down because I definitely want to wear this. I'm that type of girl that I could wear something like that and then throw like either a robe or like a cardigan, more like loose, not oversized, but I would say more of a relaxed fit. So it's perfect where, you know, you're gonna feel comfortable, but at the same time very chic. So pretty. I love it. Again, it does come with the pocket, so I really appreciate that. It has an elastic waist, very comfortable. Absolutely love. Moving on to a skirt. I think skirts are perfect for the coming fall time, and of course summer, so you could transition from summer to fall. But I love this one because I thought it was very unique. I love this like navy blue, and it has kind of like this paisley print, and at the bottom it looks like this. It is so pretty, guys. If you guys are not into paisley, then you guys can obviously get it in a different color or a print, because again, it comes in multiple colors. But I really like this one. I like the adjustable drawstring. It has this at the end, and then the waistband is adjustable as well, which of course we all love. It does have pockets. I think this is really nice if you want it more like a hobo style cozy look. You could definitely wear it with like a white tank and like not a blazer, I was gonna say, what was I gonna say? Oh, a cardigan, and then maybe wear it with like some boots underneath if it gets a little bit more colder, or you could definitely wear it with some ankle boots, some mules, flats, you know, whatever. But this is just so pretty. I love the print, very nice. It doesn't have any stretch right here, but it's nice and flowy, so it's one of those skirts that will look very girly and very pretty and feminine. So I love this. Look at that print, guys. This one is definitely a summer piece. Last two items that I want to show you are for the summertime, but I still wanted to show you guys because I did pick it up. Here in California, just being honest, it's still really hot. Like, I'm wearing this, but I have the AC on. It's on auto because it's gonna be 105. So yes, I'm pretending to be that fall girl where it's like, oh my gosh, I'm so cozy, I got my tea here, but no, it's hot. So yeah, I'm still gonna be wearing summer clothes. I know that everybody is like all about fall. You see fall fashion, fall decor from Target, Marshalls, and all that. This one is a piece you could definitely wear for the fall time. You could throw over a cardigan and kind of have like that really beautiful boho chic. It's one of those really nice and flowy pieces. I got this in a size medium. I could have definitely got this in a size small because it's very nice and flowy. This is how it looks at the bottom. It is so cool. So it looks like that. It has this really beautiful design. It's floral. It is a V-neck. And these straps are adjustable, which I appreciate. And last but not least, I wanted to show you guys a bathing suit cover-up slash dress. So this one you could definitely wear as a dress or a bathing suit cover-up. And I think since the summer is not over, I think this one is beautiful if you're going to the beach or if you're planning on going on a tropical vacation and you want something really nice and kind of more of a elevated chic bathing suit cover-up. I love this because I've been wanting something like this where it's more like neutral. This is so beautiful. It looks like this, very oversized. I got it in my size medium. So it looks like this, a V-neck, and then of course you could throw this over your bathing suit. I love pieces like this where if I'm wearing a bathing suit and I go to the beach, I can enjoy being at the beach. And then if I want to walk to a restaurant, I want a nice cover up where I kind of look more dressy. This is perfect. You just throw it over, walk over to the restaurant, eat, and you know, for me, I don't feel comfortable going inside a restaurant in a bathing suit. I've seen other people do that. For me, I can't. I just don't feel comfortable. If I know I'm in a restaurant, I'm about to eat, I need something to cover up, you know? So this is a perfection, and I really like the fact that it cinches in. So it really cinches in as much as you want it to cinch in. and it really gives you like a really nice waist. You could tie it up. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're still watching, you're not subscribed to my channel, I don't know why you're not. Make sure you click that subscribe button right now. And until next time, remember, God bless. Ciao.